In this video, we're going to talk about the drinker line flush parameters. So if we go to menu, we come down to flush parameters, and we're going to set flush parameters. This is where you set how long each drinker line will flush for. Now it defaults to 1 minute and 30 seconds. And this number here is the drinker line number. And if you remember, the drinker line number is associated with the solenoid. So this first 10 drinker lines come out of the main controller, and 11 through 18 come out of the first extension box. Now we know that not all are there, and we've already configured the controller so it knows that not all are there. So we're going to go back to the top. Now you can set each of these individually, or this copy down feature, you can set the one at the top, give it a value, and then press this copy down and it will transpose that value. So typically you would want to flush each drinker line for the same amount of time. Now there may be some exceptions, but in this case, we're going to assume that we want to run them all for the same amount of time. So I'm going to edit the runtime, and I'm going to carry it down for purposes of this video to the bare minimum time, which I believe is 6 seconds. All right. Now I said, okay, I'm going to escape back up, and you can see it only changed line 1, but I want them all to be 6 seconds. So I'm going to press this copy down, and now it has made every drinker line in the system 6 seconds. Now I could always change one of these others if I wanted it to be different for some reason, or I can come to a point, change it, and then copy down from there, and it will change everything from this point down. So there's a lot of flexibility with setting the flush time by drinker line. But for the most part, I think most everyone will want to run every line for the same amount of time. So we have our drinker line set at 6 seconds. We have a schedule defined. We are ready to put the system into run mode.